Hey everyone, welcome back to our Kilkenny homestead. Now chickens can be a great helper in the garden. They scratch around, loosening up all the topsoil, they keep the pest population to a minimum, as well as providing manure for fresh fertiliser. However, they can be quite destructive if they get into the wrong area. The solution to that is to use a chicken tractor. Unfortunately, prices for a ready-made chicken tractor start off at about €150 and go upwards of €1,000, putting them out of reach for most people. So today, we're going to build one from all new materials for less than 70 quid. So let's get into it. Okay, we start off by taking two of the 2 meter lengths, laying them out flat. We then get two that are 126 centimeters, line them up like so. Then get the 119 centimeter one and stick it in the middle. So we're just making a start on the A-frame here now at the minute. Just want to attach your pieces roughly like that. They'll all line up when you get the other sides on. All the holes are pre-drilled at this stage, so we're not going to split the wood by trying to force screws through it. Okay, we have to stop here. I've just realised I've made a little mistake. This middle part of the frame here is actually meant to go further down here to accommodate the little nesting box on the end, and that's what the sort of middle arches are meant to attach to. So I'm going to have to take this one back out again and just move it down to here. Whoops, shit happens. Alright, so now we've got a basic frame made. We're going to start making the little nesting box to go on the end. This is where you want to take two of the 53.5 cuts that we made and some of the 7x1 board, and you're going to line them up just like this, and then using the pencil just mark your holes to pre-drill so that we can screw them both together. We'll fit 3 boards along inside then, and they'll slot in just in here to make the floor of that nesting box. Okay, so at this stage it's starting to look more like a chicken tractor. What's left to do with the woodwork now is to make a ramp for the nesting box and to make a doorway for the front of it here. Once that's done, we can get the corrie board and cover the bottom end there to give them shelter and to give the nesting box shelter. Then we can get our galvanized steel mesh and cover the whole outside of it. After that then it's just down to wheels and a handle. Okay, so at this stage now, I'm just going to take this corrugated board. All that's left to do now is put the mesh on. So let's see if this still works. Now, thanks to my not so slick powers of editing, you didn't have to sit through the hour it took to get the mesh on. So we're just about done now at this stage. The only thing left to do is to put some wheels on this end, a handle on this end, and the chicken tractor is ready to go. Okay, so we've just cut off that front little stub axle, drilled some holes through the frame. Just gonna tap that on down there. Right, just like that. Now, got to get it straight. We don't want that wheel alignment to be off. Okay. All right. Not so bad. Not so bad. I wanted to make sure I put the handle on the heavy end of it, just in case the wheels weren't strong enough, because I wasn't sure. So there you go. There's a nice little chicken tractor for under 70 quid. And I mean, there's lots of other ways you could do it even cheaper by using maybe pallet wood, for example. Your imagination is the limit. So folks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it on your social media, and please do subscribe with notifications on. Y'all take care of yourselves out there, and I'll see you next week.